Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to sell digital products on the Google Merchant Center. Alright, so once you've logged onto your browser, make use of the search bar to simply search for Google Merchant Center, and google.com/retail is going to pop up where it says promote your business with the Merchant Center. So we're going to go ahead and click on this link, and once you selected this link you're met with Google for Retail, drive sales and reach more customers on Google Maps, uh, YouTube, and other social media platforms. So you can go ahead in doing this by first up signing up for the Google Retail. You could simply sign up for the Merchant Center here when you click on this sign in option and click on sign in to Merchant Center. So go ahead and select sign in to Merchant Center. Once you're on merchants.google.com, it says we're sorry, unfortunately your current account doesn't have access to the center. You can sign in with a different account or sign up. So I'm going to be signing up for the Google Merchants Center. So let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, so once the Google Merchant Center opens up, you're asked to tell Google about your business. This will help Google tailor its services to your business needs. So do you sell products online? If you do, you can click yes. Now, if you say yes, you're going to have to provide your store's website. So if you have something like Shopify or any service that, sells products online, you can just go ahead and paste your link here and your store is going to be linked. So you can link your Shopify to it. What type of online stores are eligible? Your online store must clearly show products with prices, offer returns, accept payments, and include your contact info. Your online store can be self-hosted or hosted on third-party apps such as Shopify or WooCommerce. All right, so with that in mind, all you need to do is paste your store's website. Do you have a physical store? I'm going to use no. If you click yes, you're going to have to provide an address. I'm going to click no, and then you're going to provide your store's website. So go ahead and link either your Shopify or any uh, platform that you have your accounts, your products linked to. Let's say if you sell bags on Shopify or any other platform, you can just go ahead and paste the link there, even if it's within your local area alone. All right, so now go ahead and click on continue once you've entered your store's website. Okay, so go ahead and click on continue with merchant account creation. So we're going to be going with this process and show your product on Google for free. Where your product would show, Google will connect you to the right customers across search, YouTube images, and assistants. Customers will see your product listing on Google and go to your website to buy. What you need, your own online store. You need to have an online store that accepts payments, has clearly listed price products, offers returns, and includes your contact info. All right, so continue to Merchant Center. So you're going to have to enter your business info, your business name, your registered country, get personalized email notifications on news and tips, get invitation to partake in occasional surveys and pilots. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tick some of these boxes off. And then once you're done putting your business name, click on continue to Merchant Center. Welcome to the Google Merchant Center. You're showing your business, you're showing your business name, it welcomes you. And then we have this onboarding process on Google for your products. You have to add your business address, confirm the online store of your business, add details to show how you ship your products, add a return policy, and then go ahead and add your products. All right, so we're going to find out how we can sell products on the Google Merchant. We're going to find out how we can sell. Our first step would be to where you have business, head to products, not shipping and returns, click on products. And once products opens up, you're met with all products, products that need attention, automatic improvements, and product studio. Your first step would be to add a product to the Google Merchant Center. So let's go ahead and click on add products. Alright, so you're met with the add product source. You can add a product from a file, create a file that contains all your product details, title, description, price, and more. This method may require some technical knowledge. Use Google Sheets, add your product details, title, description, price, and more using a Google spreadsheet. So you create a new spreadsheet from a template and add your item details. You can use a template, or you can add your product details to the template and delete 2 or 5 rows. They contain instruction and examples. Return to this page and click on continue. Choose an existing spreadsheet to upload. So you can upload an existing spreadsheet. I guess this is when you're done using the template. Then we also have add products one by one. Use this option if you want to add just a few products. Just fill in a form with all the details about your product. After you add your product, you can edit, delete, and add any more. And then add a product via an API. So we're going to be going with add product one by one. So click and continue. All right, then you're taken to add products to Google. Countries where you want your products to show. So you can simply add countries that you would like Google to showcase your products. You could select all countries, which is what I'm going to do. Then click on confirm. Now you can go ahead and click on continue. And then it says add product source. So let's head back and click on add products one by one again. And then go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now you're gonna be met with product details. Make sure to add high quality product details that match your online store if you have one. Add more details to help your product appear in more places on Google. This page on your website is where people land when they click this product on Google. So product page on your online store. So you can add your product page. Like I said earlier, you could make use of your Shopify or any online platform that showcases products. Now we have title, so you could give it a name. So I'll go with spray. What brand is it? Um, and then give it a description. Okay, so once you're done giving it a description, you can simply scroll down and then go ahead and select the product type. Is it a garden furniture? You are met with price and condition availability, set category, condition, price, and availability here. If you have multiple stores selling this product, you can set availability and price per location. All right, so we're going to give it a product type. What type of product is it? There's also the image. So I'm going to add an image here to this product. Let's go ahead and browse from my storage. All right, so once you've located the photo you want to use, go ahead and add this photo to the merchants google.com and then click on add. All right, so we've added the box spray to this, and then you can now add other images as well, up to 4 images. Transform your product images into lifestyle images with AI generated background. You could use this if you'd like, but I'm going to stick with what I have. And then the product type, it's not a garden furniture, it's a spray. And then you can down select the category. So it's under, let's just put it under animals, pet and supplies, condition new, price. And the price is set to your local currency, which is in the US dollar. So you could set it up to this amount. Availability, you can put in stock, out of stock, pre-order, and then sales price. So let's say 7, and then you can set a date. Let's say on the 23rd, and then click on apply. All right, so now once you're done here, you can now scroll down to product identifiers, leave empty or have an ID auto assign. So you can have an ID, so I'll just call it 001, and then appears next to the barcode of this product, like ISBN, GTIN. So I'll call it ISBN, or okay, let's just go with, I don't have that option. Uh, and then the language is set to English. You can also edit that out. And then the countries are as follows. And then it's underneath the free listing marketing. Um, labels are not visible to customers. Okay, this is for your labeling. When you want to label apparel, the color, you can set the color and size. Shipping and tax returns. So you can add a shipping label to this. Shipping weight, unit, length, width, and taxes as well. And then you can also click on save when you're done. So let's go ahead and click on save. Okay, so you got to add your products page on your store. Okay, so you're gonna let's just go with save anyway. All right, so we've successfully created our product and we have successfully added the product to our Google Merchants account. So now all you need to do is simply close this, and underneath all your products, you're gonna find this here, total products, not showing on Google. All products are under review. Okay, so this means this product is under review right now from Google, and once it's done with the review, it would be posted onto their sites, and people who are looking for bug sprays are going to find bug sprays. As you can see underneath status, we have processing, so it's still processing. It could fail or it could succeed, and then you'll be notified by the Google Merchant Center once it's done. So please make sure you actually have an online store you can add to your product. So if you have a product, you add the online store where you listed it on. If it's Shopify or any other platform like YouTube, uh, you could add the link there and then people can go directly there to buy. All right. So we also have free listings and ad campaigns. So ad campaigns are basically advertisements campaigns, which I believe you're going to have to pay for. So let's wait for it to load in. So once the ad campaigns is loaded in, advertise your products on Google Ads channel, including YouTube, search and discover. You only pay when people click on your ads, and you can stop the campaign whenever you want. Okay, so basically this is Google Ads, which is an add-on to the Google Merchant Center, where you simply, showcase your product using Google Ads, to try and generate revenue to your website or to your product, so people can go ahead and click on your links and buy. So you can go ahead and get started with this if this is what you want to do. But when it concerns Google Merchant and how you can sell your products that's on Google Merchants, you're going to need to have added a product here to sell, and then go through this onboarding process by adding your business address, confirming the online store, adding details to help ship, adding your return policy, and setting up taxes to showcase your total products price. So your performance on Google on the overview is shown here. Add campaign so you can start advertising your product when you're ready to start advertising. Okay guys, and that's everything about selling your digital product on Google Merchant Center. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.